Hey, what's up guys, this is Ayan from Course Canon, and today we are going to see the best data structures and algorithms courses that you can take right now and improve your coding skills. There are thousands of courses online in today's date, and searching for a specific course can be a bit tiresome. At Course Canon, we take the liberty of finding some of the best courses on a specific topic, and that too from some of the only authoritative platforms online. Now I have given direct links to all the courses in the description below. I have also attached a Google spreadsheet on which I have listed all the courses in case you want to keep tabs on these courses for future references. So let's get started. At number 8, we have Python for Data Structures, Algorithms and Interviews from Udemy. The instructor of this course is Jose Portela, who is the head of data science at Perion Data Inc. This course will help you in learning how to use data structures and algorithms with Python as the main language. Jose also prepares you for the coding interviews by preparing with the course mock interviews. This course is beginner friendly, but you need to have a basic knowledge of the Python programming language. Now let me tell you this, for learning data structures and algorithms through any of these courses, you need to have a basic understanding of any one of the programming languages that you like, no matter which one it is. Then only you will be able to grasp the full extent of these courses. Now some of the things you will learn in this course are course preparation, online presence, networking, job searching, how to handle the non-technical and technical interviews, data structures like linked lists, trees, searching and sorting and so on, and algorithms like graph algorithms, recursions, riddles and much more. You will also get mock interview examples to prepare you for the job interviews. The course has 16.5 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.5 by more than 9,000 students. At number 7, we have the Coding Interview Bootcamp, Algorithms plus Data Structures from Udemy. The instructor of this course is Stephen Grider, who is an engineering architect. This course will help you in mastering data structures and algorithms used in web development by giving you dozens of different challenges. He will also teach you to master commonly asked interview questions. This course is beginner friendly, but you need to have a basic understanding of how JavaScript works. Some of the things you will learn in this course are string and integer reversals, dealing with problems like palindromes, max characters, classic fuzzbuzz, array chunking, sentence capitalization, printing steps and many more as you can see here. Data structures like lists, trees, arrays and algorithms like sorting, searching and recursion and so on. The course has more than 13 hours of content and is one of the highest rated courses on Udemy at the time. At number 6, we have Algorithms and Data Structures by Treehouse. Now those of you who don't know, Treehouse is one of the best online education platforms for programming and learning how to code, and they have excellent learning material for beginners. This is not a course per se, but a track or a path, or you can say a program that houses 3 individual courses, namely Introduction to Algorithms, Introduction to Data Structures, and Algorithms Sorting and Searching. This program covers the very basics of data structures and algorithms and doesn't go beyond that. So if you want to learn only the basics, then this program is for you. Your instructors will be Pasan Premratne and Jay McGavran. Some of the things you will learn in this course are arrays, linked lists, merge sort, divide and conquer, recursion, sorting algorithms, searching algorithms, and big O notation. At number 5, we have 2 courses grouped together, namely Programming Foundations, Algorithms, and Data Structures. Both the courses are provided by LinkedIn Learning. The instructor for Programming Foundations, Algorithms is Joe Marini, who is a senior developer advocate at Google, and Catherine Hodge, who is the instructor for Programming Foundations, Data Structures. Now these courses will teach you the fundamentals of data structures and algorithms and will take you from a beginner to an intermediate level of expertise. In Data Structures course, you will learn about arrays, lists, stacks and queues, hash-based data structures, trees, and graphs. While in Algorithms course, you will learn about recursion, sorting data, and searching data. The courses in total have more than 4 hours of content. At number 4, we have JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures Masterclass from Udemy. The instructor for this course is Colt Steele, who is a developer and Bootcamp instructor. This course will teach you 10 plus data structures and master dozens of algorithms, including 6 plus sorting algorithms. This course will also prepare you for coding interviews by giving you more than 85 coding examples. This course is beginner friendly in level, but you need to have some basic knowledge of JavaScript syntax. Some of the things you will learn in this course are big O notation, analyzing performance of arrays and objects, data structures like linked lists, stacks and queues, binary search trees, tree traversal, hash tables, graphs, sorting searching, dynamic programming, and much more. The course has more than 21.5 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.8, which is highest at the time in Udemy. At number 3, we again have two courses grouped together, and they both are from Pluralsight, namely Algorithms and Data Structures Part 1 and Part 2. The instructor of this course is Robert Howick, who spent 10 years as a software engineer in Microsoft and recently have worked on Team Foundation Server on the administration of version control teams. These courses will teach you about some of the algorithms and data structures used daily by professional software engineers. The courses are beginner friendly, which means you don't need to have any knowledge of data structures and algorithms to take this course. Some of the things you will learn in these courses are sorting and searching array data, string searching algorithms, balanced binary trees, sets and set algorithms, B-trees, heaps and priority queues, and collection concurrency. The courses in total have more than 5 hours of content and has a rating of 4 and 4.5 respectively. At number 2, we have Data Structures and Algorithms Nanodegree from Udacity. Now the Nanodegrees are micro-credential programs created by Udacity that focus on in-demand skills. These Udacity Nanodegrees basically cover all the things within a topic from beginner to advanced. To graduate from this Nanodegree program and receive a Nanodegree certificate, you will need to successfully complete all projects with a grade of meets specifications. This will be specific to your program as set forth by the curriculum and syllabus. Now, one of the good things about Udacity is that they have project reviewers for your program that gives personalized feedback on your projects no matter how many times you submit, and gives you practical tips and industry best practices. They also provide you with additional suggested resources to improve upon your current skills if you want to. The program also supports your GitHub profile review and LinkedIn profile optimization. You will also have mentors in this program who will support all your technical questions. Now you will get 3 instructors for this Nanodegree program. They are Bryn Klipp, who worked as a lead data analyst for Udacity, Abe Feinberg, who is a content developer at Udacity and previously taught university courses in psychology and computer science, and Kyle Stewart Franz, who is also a content developer and has developed projects for a variety of Udacity's Nanodegree program. This course will teach you everything about data structures and algorithms and will give you a hands-on practice with over 100 data structures and algorithms exercises and help prepare you for technical interviews and on-the-job scenarios. Now this course is beginner friendly, but you need to know Python programming language and basic algebra. The program has in total 160 hours of content and has a star rating of 4.6. At number 1, we have Algorithms and Data Structures MicroMasters program from University of California, San Diego on edX. Now for people who don't know, edX is the e-learning platform created by MIT and Harvard University. So you can rest assured this platform is very trusted. And all the programs and courses on this platform are created by some of the top universities and colleges. That means you learn from some of the best professors and leading industry experts through lectures and presentations. And note that edX certificates are accredited and recognized by companies and future employers, as these certificates are provided to you by some of the top universities and will have an edge when it comes to getting a job. On edX, a MicroMasters program is a mix of theory and practice. You will get 6 instructors in this MicroMasters program, namely Pavel Pazner, who is a computer science professor at the University of California, San Diego, Daniel Kane, who is a computer science and mathematics assistant professor at the University of California, San Diego, Alexander S. Kulikov, who is a visiting professor at University of California, San Diego, Michael Levin, who is a chief data scientist at Yandex Market, Neil Rhodes, who is a lecturer at University of California, San Diego, and finally Philip Kompu, who is an assistant teaching professor at Carnegie Mellon University. Now these courses will teach you to understand essential algorithmic techniques and how to apply them to solve algorithmic problems, how to implement programs that work in less than 1 second even on massive datasets, how to test and debug your code even without knowing the input on which it fails. You will learn how to formulate real-life computational problems and rigorous algorithmic problems. You will learn algorithmic techniques for solving various computational problems through implementing over 100 algorithmic coding problems in any programming language of your choice. These programming challenges are designed by University of California, San Diego and Carnegie Mellon University professors, and no other online course comes close to providing you the wealth of challenges that you get in this program. This course is beginner friendly, but you need to have a working knowledge of any programming language of your choice. The course has over 324 hours of content, including lectures, assignments, challenges, and so on. Now, the same program is also on Coursera, provided by the same university and the same set of professors. You can take this program at either platform, but I advise you to take it on edX because the universities have more control over their course materials and they have a platform curated for that particular course. But if you want to take this course on Coursera, I have provided a direct link to the program in the description and in this spreadsheet. So there you have it, guys. 8 best data structures and algorithm courses you can take this year. We have also linked a Google spreadsheet with direct links to these courses if you want to bookmark them for future use. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video as it helps our channel to get off the ground and reach people like you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.